How do you identify a geometric prism shape? Imagine holding a box or a chocolate bar and wondering what makes it different from other shapes. That's what we're here to figure out today. When you see a three-dimensional shape, how can you tell if it's a prism? Let's break it down step by step. First, look for two faces called bases. These bases are exactly the same shape and size and are placed parallel to each other. They can be triangles, rectangles, pentagons, or any polygon. Next, check if all the faces are flat surfaces with no curves. A prism has only flat faces, making it a solid with straight edges. Now, look at the sides connecting the two bases. These are called lateral faces, and in a prism, they are parallelograms. If the shape has rectangular sides, it's a right prism. If the sides are slanted parallelograms, it's an oblique prism. Another way to identify a prism is to slice it with a plane parallel to the bases. The cross-section you see will always be the same shape as the bases, showing the shape is uniform along its length. The shape also has edges and vertices, which are the lines where faces meet and the corners of the shape. The edges connecting the two bases are equal in length and run parallel to each other. The name of the prism depends on the shape of its bases. For example, if the bases are triangles, it's a triangular prism. If they are rectangles, it's a rectangular prism, sometimes called a cuboid. When the lateral faces are rectangles and the sides are perpendicular to the bases, it's called a right prism. If the sides are slanted, it's an oblique prism. So, to spot a prism, look for two identical parallel polygonal bases connected by flat, parallelogram-shaped sides. Check if the cross-section stays the same along the length. Recognizing these features helps you distinguish a prism from other three-dimensional shapes like pyramids or cylinders. Think about a cereal box or a brick. These are common examples of rectangular prisms. Or picture a Toblerone chocolate bar, which is a triangular prism. Once you know what to look for, identifying a prism becomes simple and fun.